Hi, I'm Wally Ventura from City Road Hyundai. If your goal is to save money, buying a used car rather than a new car can save you big bucks in several ways, and I'm going to show you 4 reasons to buy a pre-owned vehicle. Number 1, you'll save money. Based on data from Kelley Blue Book, you'll spend $13,000 less by choosing a used car instead of a new car. Number 2, Hyundai CPO programs. These vehicles pass through an intensive multi-point inspection that ensures quality and more value for your money. Number 3, vehicle history reports. Carfax is one of the biggest car history providers. Here in City Road Hyundai, we can get you a copy of your desired history report, and we're here to help you. And lastly, you can drive a better car. What I mean by this is, you can drive a car with more features without exceeding your budget. For example, in our inventory, we have a 2017 Tucson Limited for $23,000, while brand new, it can cost up to $35,000. As you can see, there's a big advantage to buying a pre-owned vehicle. For more information, visit us at cityworldhyundai.com or come to 3350 Boston Road. And remember, it's better to buy in the Bronx.